What's in the box? Alright, I know this isn't the usual, like, look at the funny car content, but I wanted to show you what is within this box, because it is something very special, and it's been a long time since I ordered it, so I might not remember all that much about it, but I'm going to try to share what I can. This is a Hazard Systems 1000 series Siren. It was made for, I believe, the Australian and European markets, and it has been discontinued to my knowledge, so this may be one of the last ever sealed brand new Hazard 1000 series sirens. I bought it out of Australia. It was around $1,000. Actually, I think it was like 700 US. Certainly not too bad for a brand new siren. It's really cool. I don't have a siren speaker, so I'm not going to be able to give you the full sound of what the siren tones sound like, but I'm definitely going to test it. So anyway, let's open it. There is the barcode and shit. There's the user manual. This little thing right here, this is the entire control panel. Literally fits in like the palm of my hand. And does not have like secondary buttons. I don't know what these do. So that's going to be radio rebroadcast, manual sirens, that'll be my air horn, siren 2, whale yelp. This is the microphone for the PA. And what an interesting looking microphone it is. Oh my god, it has Code 3 branding on it. That's weird. Whole lot of shit in here. Okay, here's mounting stuff. I don't want to take this apart because I'll probably end up losing parts, so gonna leave that. Lots of fucking wires. And then here's the body of the siren. So I'm gonna do my best to get this like set up and going so I can at least try it and make sure it works, and then I'll come back. Alright, we're back. Let me get the dogs out the shot. It works. What's crazy is there's not even that many wires. There's like what? There's 12 or 13 outputs right there, but you just get so much wire. Like they give you so much wire length. And it also has a little fan. You can hear the fan running. I don't know why, it's not hot in here, but here it goes. So it's running right now. See, it says wee woo, wee woo. You hit clear, and it clears everything. Secondary would be your rear only, and then primary would be front and rear. At least that's how I'm gonna wire it. Light, what this is actually pretty cool. What this is intended for is on a lot of the Australian police light bars, they have a little light on their light bars that says police on it, and that's what that's meant to activate. That probably takedowns. Oh, okay, this is probably for alley lights then. So alley light, alley left, alley right, takedown, light. I don't know what the fuck I'll do with that, but probably something. Maybe I can do cruise. Alt, no idea. Probably just a random button for you to do whatever the hell you want with. And the instructions are yellow wire goes to bonnet. Wait, what? Gray or gray? Look, that one's gray, but that one's also gray. But it's two different functions. One of them's the horn ring, one of them's the radio. Do you get 3 different gray outputs? And it's only 2. But this is a cool little siren, and I'm glad I picked it up. There's some dogs for you. 1000 series controller. And it's made in Australia. See ya.